Today I have two types of food for my cats. So guess which one they like the most? Meow 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 meow. This one I mix the rice with fish. We call some go, but maybe this one do not love it. Eat. Okay, you don't like it, okay? You prefer that one. I think this food is special for dog. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Ah. Delicious. You don't like the food? You don't like it? Why you don't want to join? Join with them, okay? Join with them. No. And try to argue with each other, okay? Come on, finish it. So now which one would you like the special food for cats? Now finish it. Hey, little boy. Oh, sorry, little girl. Finish. Finish your food, okay? Finish it. We'll bring this one for the dog, okay?